Hi kids, in this video today I'm going to show you how to download your 3D print design and how to turn it in to a Google folder. And if you take a look here, it says we're going to watch the video demonstration first. We're going to go to Tinkercad. We're going to make sure your name is the file name. You're going to be exporting your file as an .stl file. And then you're going to click here to open my Google Drive folder, and you'll choose +, file upload, and then you'll choose your file to put in the folder. Okay, so let's go to Tinkercad first. So you click here to go to Tinkercad, to your account. When it opens up, click on the design that you made to 3D print. And when it opens up, choose Tinker This. That opens it up. Okay, so now once your design is opened up, you just want to make sure that you've put your name at the top. You want to make sure that everything looks good. So look at it from the top. Make sure your hole is in the right place. Look at it from the front. Make sure there's nothing underneath the plate. Make sure there's nothing floating up in the air. Look at it from a few different directions. Click home. Make sure you've combined everything. For example, make sure you've dragged your mouse across it and picked the group button. That makes everything stick together. Then it's time to export it. So you choose Export. You choose the one that says .stl, everything in the design. So you choose that. And that's going to download your design. Save file as, I make sure my name's on it. This is going to put it in my download folder. So I just click Save. Now it's saved. So you also have to hand it in to me to the Google Drive folder. So you'll hop back to our class page, and then on the lesson page right over here where it says click here to go to the Google Drive folder, you click on here, and then you're going to just wait for that to open up. Then to put your file in here, you pick +, file upload, because you want to give me your file. And now you have to find it. So it should be in your download folder. So you click on downloads. It should be right here. If for some reason you don't see it, sometimes I click recent. That means what's something you recently saved. So I didn't see mine there. So I'm going to go to recent, click the file you want, and then pick open. You should see it appear then in the Google Drive. That means now it's ready to go to the 3D printer. So make sure you see it appear on my screen, and it should have your name, and then it should say .stl. All right, go ahead and do that.